I'm Mike Burkett. I'm out of a shop called Carbon Press. We are a large format signage shop in Fort Myers, Florida. Predominantly, we are an account-based business. We take care of like hotel ventures. We take care of police departments, fire departments, that kind of stuff. We started out as a flat signage shop. So it was just basically print. We had a customer base that started to grow and they requested rounded lettering, that kind of thing in the beginning. So we would outsource that work and it just became a situation to where we're building the files. It just makes sense to get a machine and learn how to do this and start bringing that money in-house. And we used a really old software and a really old machine and got us through in the beginning, but then we needed something a little bit more detailed. Our business owns a X-Carve Pro, the 4x2 size. It's basically because of the smaller footprint. It needed to go into a smaller area, basically an external shop. So we just needed something small to be able to produce quick lettering, small plaques, that kind of stuff. But it's great. It does tiling, so we can handle the 4x8s if we need to. Large core foam letters, that kind of things. It's making components of the signs. We've done 30-foot wide by 15-foot tall pieces that have to be put together mosaic style for the logos, for the county to be placed in the sides of buildings on the high rises, so that kind of stuff. But it's basically, we chose the 4x2 because of the size. Right now, I'd probably say we use our machines at least once or twice a week on average, but sometimes we have full weeks. Just depends on the job. So we run with a shop of there's about 7 or 8 of us. There's about 3 of us that run the machines. I learn it, figure out how to run it, and then teach those guys. And then once they get a base, they run on their own. Easel is by far easier to build in than most programs I run. It's very quick learning curve. It generates a lot of money. Rather than having to outsource those cuts, you're bringing all that in-house, and you get the control quality is a little bit better too. And of course, if there's something that gets messed up, rather than having to run through the whole process, you catch it earlier in the game. I can run multiple machines from a single easel use off one computer. It makes things a lot easier at a more affordable price for smaller businesses. They pay for themselves real quick. It's a game changer.